to IELTS Speaking with Diana. Today I am going to deal with speaking part 2. It's about a photograph. Describe a photograph. Let's see the question. Describe a photograph in your house or in your room. Sometimes it may like describe a photograph which you like. What is in the photograph? Where this photo is in your home or where it is? How this picture was taken and explain why you like it. These are the sub questions. And here, firstly, we have to give an introduction. Secondly, give an explanation about that photo. And third one is you can conclude your talk. First is an introduction. In my previous lesson, I have already told that it's not mandatory to give an intro, but it is very beneficial to extend or stretch your speech. That's why you can give an introduction. It's like photographs are very important in everyone's life as it can capture the life moments. Or you can say a picture is worth 1,000 words. That means it can express something more than that of 1,000 words. A picture can express something more than that of 1,000 words. Okay, next, give explanation. Explanation in the sense where you kept this photo or where you are keeping this photo in your home, or how the picture was taken, and give some information about the background or foreground. Foreground means what we can see, the front part of the picture. Okay, now I will give you some points which is useful to develop your answer. Let's begin. Photographs are important in everyone's life as it can capture the life moments. Then as usual, start your answer with I'd like to talk about a photograph which I like most or which is in my house. That as per the question, you can develop that answer as per the question. Then it's a picture of my family, or you can say it's an image of my friends and me. It was taken a year back. In addition to that, this photo has got a professional touch. Whoever see this photo, they comment that it has got a professional touch. I would like to mention that during my college days, I went for a trip along with my friends to some other place. You can tell other place. The place was extremely wonderful and I inspired to take a photograph. As it was in a high range place, I could see the mist over there. So along with the photo, we could capture blue sky and misty mountains as background. I would like to further add that the color of the pig is its background. Then you have to add, I have been keeping this photograph in my room as a wall adornment. This is an important possession that I have in my room. Apart from this snap ameliorate or enhances the beauty of my room or ambience of your room. I love this very much because whenever I see this, it reminds me the happy days that I had in my life. Then you conclude your answer by saying, so this is all about a photograph which I like most or which I have in my house. That's all about the points. Then we can also see some vocabularies and phrases that you can use in your answer. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Reminds me of that days. In the background, in the foreground, enhance, ameliorate. Next we can have our word power routine. Litigation, all along, perpetrator, usher, menace. I hope you understood the lesson. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.